Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few questions that came through this past week that are pretty much similar, and asking when all of these new features that Microsoft has talked about and that we also talked about here on the channel will be released. Is it only when 26H2 is going to happen? We'll have to wait a long time. Well, the thing is, in 2026, Microsoft is actually pushing new features all the time as soon as they're ready. So we have already noticed some changes throughout the year this year, and there were quite a few things that have changed that already have been updated and done, and the way that Windows 11 operates. Just think of the low latency profile feature. These were all announced by the new head of Windows, and of course, they are rolling out as soon as they're ready and that they, seem to be working good. So this is what the next months are going to be. Basically, we're going to have new features every month regarding what Microsoft has talked about, and yes, 26H2 will probably enable some more, but expect all of these features to slowly, gradually roll out. And hopefully, like they were saying, hopefully not in a it's going to roll out to some and not to others. It's supposed to roll out to everybody at the same time when it actually turns on. So let's hope that that's the way it's going to be. But for those waiting for these features, you won't have to wait till 26H2 for this to happen. It is rolling out gradually. Every month we have new features coming in. Just look at this month, the low latency profile with the updates of the preview update of May. We have the ability now to use several apps with only one webcam, things like that were all announced, and more to come. So this is going to be gradual. Next month or this month, at the end of the month, the preview update will probably bring something else. And even sometimes in the security updates, there will be new features that will be pushed. So that's the way it's going to be throughout the year. And for those that are saying, when is 26H2 expected and is it a thing? Yes, it is a thing. And probably October, somewhere around October or November, which is usually the time frame where we get that update. And probably be moving then after that to 27H2 as time goes by. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.